now taking us back a bit in time, this 29.57 square kilometers, we relocated about 4,000 or so families from this home or area, and the government fully compensated for these affected persons. So today, we don't have any encumbrance on this land. There is no remnant PAP. They were all compensated. And as part of the resettlement, so we don't have the opportunity today to go to the villages, but we did support in setting up livelihood restoration programs, set up some schools not far away from here, some churches, religious prayer points to just ensure that the communities are reinstated back to their form. And today we are coexisting with them. They're in the peripherals. Many of them went ahead and set up within the rest of the neighborhood, and we'll see them even as we move along the road going back into Hoima City. So it was a successful resettlement action plan, and we are replicating this in many other projects, nuclear energy and others. So with that, we want a little more about the airport. Is there anyone, we want to know the length of the airstrip, the runway. Yes, NGW. Tell us a little about the airport.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. NGW Consulting, the consultants organizing the project. This is Kabalega International Airport. It has been gazetted as Kabalega International Airport. Currently, we have the runway of 3.5 kilometers long and about 45 meter width. It's less than 100 meters from the runway. We are at progress 95.2%. Physical progress, yes, so this is the current phase, and we have structures in place. The cargo terminal that is almost complete. It's just a few fittings missing, but they are under progress. We have the firefighting structure that side with an air-ground lighting system structure, the substation. We have electrical main substation for powering the airport, and then we have navigation aids that aid in the aircraft navigation. They have been certified already, and they are good to go. They were tested, but we need to have another check to confirm at the final stage. We have an access road that is under construction by Ministry of Works, and hopefully by December they might be through, because the road you used to come is just a construction access road. The main access road for the airport is just that side, connecting to Chiziramfumbi Hoima Road. Yes, that is it for the airport. Thank you very much.
What is the target date? When do you hope to open this airport?
We are targeting March next year, but that is a construction phase end. There will be other phases for certification, and that civil aviation, I think, is in good to know when the certifications will be done. But for construction phase, March next year, shall be free.
Your name once again?
I'm Nora Badini from NBW.
Maybe you can talk about the design capacity in terms of the apron and the rest.
The apron is large enough to take on 4 large aircrafts, the cargo largest aircrafts.
How about the passenger ones?
The passenger terminal
like Emirates,
is...
can you take on Emirates, the big one?
Yes, if we can take on the cargo, then passenger plan, yes. But for the passenger terminal, for now we only have a capacity of 50 passengers at peak hour, yes, because the airport is mainly for the refinery operations and construction works. Yes.
From the visit, you've witnessed the complexity of this project and the different pieces that we have to put together to deliver this project. This project has so far brought in terms of foreign direct investment, up to a tune of 7.5 billion US dollars. This is not simple money. So what does this mean? That means this project comes with different aspects that must be addressed in order for us to enter production. We've ensured that we do have a robust legal and regulatory framework to support this project in its construction, but all through operations, including efficient regulation to ensure that the benefits from this project accrue as planned by the government. Number two, you have witnessed the road infrastructure. We had to work on the different infrastructure. Right now, we are standing at Kabalega International Airport, a critical piece of the project in terms of logistics. So putting together this infrastructure also required time to ensure project readiness. You also witnessed the capacity, Ugandans. We had to, of course, ensure that we are also growing our capacity. You've seen the ministry capacity, the Petroleum Authority of Uganda capacity, Uganda National Oil Company, but also critically the Ugandans that are working with the international oil companies, like we saw today at Sinok. So all of these pieces had to be put together, including negotiating agreements. By the time you deliver this magnitude of project, you can imagine the level of negotiation that went into the agreements that are supporting us to work in harmony with the oil companies to deliver this project. So for us, as the government, the key point is the project is on track and we will deliver first oil as planned come next year. And I think that is what is important for the people of Uganda.
Nti eddongooseza ate eddala ery'amafuta eryo erigenda ogalongoosa gaveemu petroli, diesel n'omukka ogufumbisa gwe bafumbisa emmere, nti mu kibangirizi ekyo ekiweza 30 square kilometers ate tujja kubanga tuteekamu amakolero agasobola okuganyulwamu bannayuganda ng'amakolero agasobola okukola ebintu ebiva mu refinery. Nga tugambe oba omuntu ayagala kukola dashboard za motoka oba plastics oba obuveera obupakirwamu ebintu ebyokulya, kwegamba ebintu bwe bityo. Ne bwabaawo ne industries endala ng'eza warehousing, eza logistics n'endala ezisobola okubeera nga ziganyulwamu abalimi, okulaba nti omulimi bw'aba alimye ate basobola okunnyogoza ebirime byabwe ne babiteeka ku nnyonyi ezinaabazigwa ku kisaawe ekyo ne zisobola okugenda mu mawanga ag'enjawulo. So olwajjo bwe tutyo bwe twakomerekezza. Olwaleero ate tulambudde enzizi endala eziri mu Buliisa, ezo nga kampuni eziddukanya era gye tukolagana nayo ye Total Energies, nayo tulabye enzizi ze baakasima nga tebannaba kutandika kuggyayo mafuta, basuubira okusima enzizi 17, naye nga mu bujjudde zonna zonna enzizi ezigenda okusimibwa mu kibangirizi ekyo zijja kuba enzizi 420. Tutunuulidde era ebitundu ebyenjawulo, tutunuulidde enzizi zennyini, tutunuulidde ebyuma bikalimagezi ebisima enzizi ezo, ne tutunuulira ekyuma ekkolera eddala erirongoosa amafuta ago bwe gaba gavuddeyo gagenda kutuukirawa. Tutunuulidde ebitundu ebyenjawulo mu eryo ekkolero lye batandise okuzimba, okulaba nti era July ow'omwaka ogujja nti lijja kuba liwedde, tusobole okubeera ng'enzizi ziggulwawo ate n'amafuta agavuddemu galongooseddwa gasobole okutwalibwawa mu ddongoosezo. So leero tukomekkereza era nga tulambudde ku bannayuganda abamu abaakosebwa olwa enzizi zino ze tusima n'egyo emirimu egy'abamafuta, beyo be tuyita ba project affected persons. Wano we tuli waliwo munnayuganda omu gwe baasengula okuva mu kitundu bwe yali abeera, ne bamuzimbira enju era ne bamuwa n'entandikwa ya ssente. Atulaze nti akola omubisi ogw'enjuki era omubisi ogwo agutwala n'agutunza Total Energies mu kampu yaabwe okulaba nti bamuwa ssente, ate era n'atugamba nti takoma okwo, asomesa abantu abalala okulaba nti nabo basobola okukola ki, okwetabanira mu mirimu bwe gityo egisobola obbakulaakulanya. So bwe tutyo bwe tulabye kaakati eri gye mwalabye ku makya ewali Kasulubani, Uganda National Oil Company yatwala obuvunaanyizibwa n'efuna layisensi nga bw'olaba Total bw'erina ekibangirizi, China National Offshore bw'erina ekibangirizi, Kasulubani kibangirizi kya UNOC, era twetabaganira mu mirimu egy'okugenda ne tunoonyereza ewali amafuta.
I want to say I'm very happy with the other agencies, UNOC and POW, for the work that they are doing. And this is a testimony for all of you out there, especially you, the press, who are supposed to sell what is being seen, that the public service is still delivering. Is still committed and is still patriotic. And with this kind of level, if they continue with this kind of spirit, I think everything will be well in Uganda. And I want you, the reason they called you here is to go out there and tell every Ugandan. I myself, I came here as a doubting Tom, because as you said, they have always been promising year in, year out. But this time we heard ourselves from the Kingfisher team that come December, they will deliver part of it, and in July next year, everything will be done. So there's no more doubting Tom, there's no more questions. But I just want to say that we are all now just eager, waiting for the final product, because we have seen for ourselves. You have seen what also our soldiers are doing, the NEC. They are doing the processing of the byproducts, the waste material, and they are also up to the game. So what else do we need? We are here now at the airport. We are yet to have now a second airport in Uganda. We've been having only one Entebbe airport. Now we are going to get a second international airport. So I just want to say thank you for everybody who has been involved in this, and I thank you, the media, for coming with us this far.